Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am out here, southern Florida. It's a little bit of a cloudy day today. So I have for you a great product which I want to unbox, set up. It's time to get ready for Christmas, and what could be better than a gingerbread man for your front yard? It is from GOOSH. Should be about 5 feet tall. GOOSH products tend to be really cool. One of my favorite things about them when I open them is they come in their own protective case bag for storing it in the off season, and there it is like clockwork. Oh, by the way, when I get to the end of this, I am going to give this a Doug score, so you know from 1 to 5 how good this particular product is. They always come with string and the tie downs so that they don't fly away in the wind. Here is that bag that I said I really appreciate. I think it makes a big difference over the winter when you have to like put them in plastic bags or boxes, and this comes with a case built into it, and they have it nicely wrapped up nice and tight in a little ball. And here he is. This is the uninflated version of it. I always tell people, before you annoy yourself trying to fill it up, make sure the zipper's closed. I will say it has a little bit of weight to it. Definitely is a little weighted, so it could be pretty nice. It might stand up today. It's a little windy out here, and I'm not going to start tying it down yet until I get the whole, I have to have 20 of these that I have to get set up in the front yard here, and it is not Thanksgiving yet, so Nicole won't let me set him up. Anyway, let's plug him in and see what he looks like. Okay, there he goes. While he blows up, let's talk about some of the finer points. These are the one things that I always find nice about GOOSH products. They're all fair expectation for what this little character should last and do. Let's see, everything seems to be inflating. Little feet. The little feet popped out. There we go. The weights are in his toes here. Okay, so this is the completely inflated version. I am 6'2". He's supposed to be 5 feet. I'd say that's about right. I'm gonna say he's adorable. As these things go, he's a little less stable than most. He's definitely gonna take some good tying down if you want him to stay up. But I think with the 4 lines it comes with, you could definitely do that. I just kind of like when sometimes, oh wait, look at that. Right after I said that, he made a fool out of me. Anyway, I think he's really cool. I think he's what he's supposed to be. I'm gonna give this guy a 4 out of 5 on the Doug score. I think it's good.